In a sunny kitchen corner, a curious child watches a balloon rise while a coin drops, hinting at gravity. A feather, a marble, a key, and a paper clip are released from the same height to test weight and gravity. The guide explains air resistance slows lighter objects, so timing matters more than speed in this tiny experiment. A quick ball drop confirms steady acceleration. The taller drop shows gravity guiding every fall. The child records results, smiles at science, and learns how careful observation makes everyday moments into experiments.